Hi there guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of useless plugins and pages and also settings in your WordPress page, part 2. Let's say that you've downloaded the right theme that you're looking for. Okay, what about those themes right here? They're occupying space, aren't they? So what we're going to do is basically delete them. Go ahead on the theme and right click on delete. Let's delete all of those plugins as they're just taking storage from our website. Delete, and we're good to go. Once we've deleted all of our themes, we're gonna have that one theme that we are using. And that's basically it. The other thing is that we're gonna head to the to the settings. We're gonna pass through all of the settings. So go ahead to General and choose the site title, the tagline. For example, since this is a school dropouts website, showing you how to develop and grow as a school dropout, for example. After that, your WordPress URL, don't touch that. Your site URL, don't touch that. The administration email address, make sure that you have one that you already created. Remove anyone can register, we don't want that. We don't want anyone to be able to have a user default. The site language is English, for example. The time zone, for me, it's UTC +1. You can choose it. You can leave it as it is. The date format, the time format, and the week starts on Monday. Click on save. And right after that, we're going to go to the writing settings. In the writing settings, choose default post category and categorize. Format, mail server, don't touch this is Z. Let's go to reading right here. Leave this as it is. Discussion. We are going to disable comments from websites as they are really annoying. So anyone, remove a comment. Let's leave this. And let's remove attempt to notify. Always, comment author must have a previously approved. And that's basically it. Let's also remove show avatars and let's click save changes. As for media, we're going to pass through it. Go ahead to permalinks and choose the post name. Click on save changes. Finally, head to the privacy section. And right here, you're going to have to create a privacy policy page. Click on create and you'll be good to go. That's basically it for guys for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and goodbye.